Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is unboxing. Yes, I went to our drugstore and then I noticed that LorealParis, they came out with a skincare line, Bright Reveal. So I bought the serum that is for dark spots. After the pregnancy of my twins, I noticed that I have some of pregnancy dark spots that refuses to go. So I decided to give it a try. I've been using this particular serum for over 2 weeks now, and I can see a huge difference. And then I also bought the sunscreen that goes with it. This sunscreen is so good, beauties. I've been, using it under my makeup. There is nothing like greasy. There is nothing like this whitish cast. Let me just talk about this sunscreen first. If you apply it, can you see? And then when you blend it, can you see? There is nothing like whitish cast. And the good thing about it is SPF 50. I have been using it every day since I bought it. You know, one thing with dark spots, when you clear your dark spots, you need something to prevent that dark spot from reoccurring, because when you go outside the sun, after the sun hits and everything, some of the dark spots will start resurfacing. So this SPF, this sunscreen, it is not only for as in to protect our skin, but also to protect it from those dark spots from reoccurring. It says LorealParis Bright Reveal Dark Spot UV Fluid. I don't know whether you can see it. Oh, I love it so much. Then I decided to go, because they have like the moisturizer, they have the cleanser, and they also have a lot of them. So I decided to buy the whole set. That is what we have here. So I'm going to open it and show you, beauties, what I bought. And it's drugstore, not like all these expensive, though it's a little bit expensive, honestly, but not like all those huge expensive. Let me just, I'm trying not to, show my address. So I bought the complete set. Ooh, can you just see? I bought the complete set. Can you just see? Yeah. So we have, like I said, I also bought the SPF, the sunscreen. I bought the sunscreen. And then I bought the moisturizer. Yeah, I bought the moisturizer. And I bought the cleansing gel, serum and cleanser. And then I also bought the serum, because I so much love the serum. Let me show you the serum. I also bought the serum too. I've tried it, like this is the one that I'm using now. So I tried it and it is good. I decided to get a complete set. So, and then I also bought the peeling, skin peeling. This one, you use it 1 or 2 times in a week, but I love using it only once, but you can do it 2 times in a week. Yeah, so these are the complete sets that I bought. Like I said, you cleanse with the cleanser, and then you add your serum, you add your moisturizer, and then your SPF, your sunscreen. Beauties, tell me if this thing is not good. I have tried it. This is not sponsored video, beauties. I bought all this with my own money because I have tried it and I see how good it is. I decided to get the complete set. Sometimes, one thing with skincare, sometimes it is good if you are buying skincare product, you get it, complete set from the same company, because they have ingredient that, that is the same in all their products, so that it will work for you. Okay, I'm not trying to advertise this thing. Like I said, I bought them with my money. I have tried them, I have tried the serum, and then the sunscreen, and I noticed that it is good. I decided to get all of them. I'm going to do a full skincare routine using all this alone. you know, and then I will tell you all my first impression using them. The serum is already good, like I said, and then the sunscreen too is also good, very good. And the good thing about this sunscreen, like I said at the beginning of this video, is it doesn't leave that whitish cast. Can you see? I applied it here. There is nothing like whitish cast, so I love it. And let me just take a look at the moisturizer and see how it is. Oh, look at the moisturizer. It also has SPF LSF 50. Can you see? It is still closed. So I'm going to, you know, try it. And this is the cleanser. This is the cleanser. Bright Review Dark Spot Serum in Cleanser. Ooh. Okay. It has niacinamide and salicylic acid. And you know, all those two ingredients is good for hydration and for clearing also, you know, dark spots. And there is also anti-aging. So that is it. Beauties, hope you enjoyed this unboxing, you know, video with me. And if you want me to do a complete skincare routine using all these things, okay, they don't have under eye cream. Okay, you know, I don't play with my under eye cream. But anyways, if you want me to do a skincare routine using this, let me know in the comment section and I will do it. And the good thing about it is it's not something that you will use only in the morning. You can use it in the morning and also in the evening. I use this 2 times in a day, in the morning and then in the evening. Beauties, my dark spots are fading like crazy. If you watch, like, go back to my previous videos, you will see how my face is. I don't have any makeup on the face. Yeah, I don't have any makeup, whether it's too hot today. Look at the way I am sweating here. So you will see how my face was looking. Since I started using this, I have seen a huge difference on my face. Okay, so beauties, that is it for today's unboxing. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, you know what you're supposed to do. Kindly give this video a thumbs up. Comment, like, share, and subscribe, please. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I am begging you, okay? And then tell me, have you used any L'Oreal product, like their skincare or their makeup or whatever? Have you used any of their products? If you have, tell me your experience in the comment section. I'll be glad to read all your comments. Catch you all in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed out there. Bye-bye. I am so tired. I'm just coming back from work, but I decided to do this video. Yeah, because I can't wait to start using the product. All right, beauties, catch you all.